Hello, I'm Andy. Welcome to Rainforest Landscaping LLC, a professional landscaper with more than 17 years of experience serving in Ellis County, Navarro County, and surrounding areas. Our company is locally known for providing cost-effective services of landscaping installation, landscaping design, lawn care, mulching installation, tree removal, tree trimming, Christmas light installation, and more. For the latest offers and promotions, follow us on our social media. Call us at these numbers for a free estimate on your upcoming project. Thank you for watching our video and hope to talk to you soon.